Hi everyone! I wanted to hop on here really fast and talk about something that is really, really important to your business and especially a online business. So there's something so crucial when you are developing your business and creating waves in your zone of genius. That major pivotal thing is to have a community that you can rely on. Starting your business and finding your tribe, especially a tribe who understands you and supports you, is one of the hardest things to do. Truth. Nobody can successfully achieve everything they want in life alone. So I'm going to go through my top 3 tips. The first tip is engage. And one more time for the people way in the back. Engage. In order to be seen as a thought leader and expert in your business, add value and show up. If there are situations you can remedy and solve for people, do it. Don't lead with thinking that you need to always receive money in exchange for assisting people. When you give, you do end up receiving the things right back. Whether that be a new connection, a future client, a friend, or someone who will shamelessly share your name to everyone they meet. However, do not allow people to walk over your expertise. Help people freely, but create the boundaries you need to maintain for your business and your own well-being. Second tip, I hope you're following along. Be willing to level up. Yeah, level up. One thing I learned quickly, if I want to have those kick-ass major boss babes become my friend, I had to believe that I was already a major boss babe myself. Work on yourself, grow past your limits, and you will attract these types of women, men, whoever to you. Honestly, authenticity is the new famous. That's why I'm going to do this video once and then send it out. Third tip and final tip. Invest in yourself. Whether that be a strong cup of coffee in the morning, the coach you have always wanted, or a simple meditation, or even a virtual assistant that connects to your why. Your personal well-being is key to also attracting the kind of tribe that values you, your health, and their health as well. In summary, when you are looking to create a community and a tribe in your business, especially for those boss babes who do all of their work online, there's 3 things that you need to keep in mind. When you continuously share your value and engage with everyone, your name will become synonymous with generosity and thought leadership. So when you are engaging, you are actually growing your business. Make sure you put time into your day to actually speak with people and speak with people that you want to be in your tribe. Furthermore, you have to be willing to grow, to expand your comfort zone, to actually accept that you are becoming a major influence in your niche, in your business, in your company, wherever you are. You need to be willing to level up and to try new things. And finally, you also have to make sure that your mental health and you are top priority. You are your longest commitment. Make sure that your well-being and your mental health is top priority, because that also gives you the ability to speak with other people and to help them out of their mental health issues or their worries day to day. Make sure that you are happy and healthy and free. And that's going to also attract the type of women that don't want to be happy and healthy and free. So those are my top tips to creating a community that lasts and that wants to make an impact in business. If you have any other questions, especially about what a virtual assistant does and how someone like me is a virtual assistant, I would love to chat with you, and I hope that we can get connected soon. Mwah! Have a lovely, lovely day, and we will be speaking very, very soon.